Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Install the AI app now, sign into your new account, and enable two-factor authentication. This secures access. Once done, import one representative dataset or sample file so the tool has real input to analyze. Make sure to paste API keys into the Secure Settings area and select an initial template. These steps get you into the working state quickly, while preventing common permission and access issues. Now configure the core options and begin training or tuning. You choose model size and trade off speed versus accuracy because that determines cost and latency. Next, clean and label your data, remove duplicates and split it properly, typically 80/20 for training versus validation. Run a short pilot training run to confirm parameters and watch metrics like loss and accuracy. Make sure to save checkpoints frequently. This avoids redoing long runs and lets you iterate confidently on hyperparameters. Finish by deploying and validating the application in a controlled environment. You test in staging, enable monitoring and alerts, and set auto-scaling so performance holds under load. Then validate outputs with edge cases and compare results to your baseline. Log discrepancies for immediate review. If issues appear, use the rollback plan, revert to the last stable checkpoint, review recent config changes, and rerun failing tests. One key troubleshooting tip: if outputs drift, retrain on fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.